Hi everyone, welcome to Micet. On today's video, we're going to learn about how to do the daily maintenance of the preheat exchanger. After every heat exchange, you should rinse the wort tunnel with hot water. It is better rinsed in the reverse direction because the cleaning effect is better this way. And moreover, you should clean it with the hot alkaline water periodically. For example, after every 5 times of use, you should take 2% sodium hydroxide solution, heat to 85 degrees Celsius, and rinse it, circle it for 15 minutes, and then rinse it with clean water. In addition, it is very necessary to do the disassemble and maintenance once a year. Loosen the bolts here, take it down layer by layer, and clean the plates with a brush gently. If you need to replace the agent or damaged gasket, take it down layer by layer from here, but be sure not to mess up the order, because when you're done with the replacement, you need to reinstall it in the original order. Alright, that was the maintenance precautions of the preheat exchanger. If you're interested in our equipment, feel free to contact us.